Welcome to Outdoors and Country Living. Stick around and let's make some homemade hot cocoa mix, both dairy-free and regular. Let's start with the dairy-free hot cocoa mix. We're going to need some unsweetened cocoa, some granulated sugar, this is pure cane sugar, and we're going to need some salt. I have pink Himalayan salt here. Let's get started. In a large bowl, we're going to add 2 cups of cane sugar, two-third cup unsweetened cocoa. We're going to do this times 2 because we are doubling this recipe. 2 pinches of salt. We're going to whisk this together until no more lumps remain. The recipe for these will be in the description box below, so make sure you reference those. Just beating out the last few little tiny lumps with the whisk, and we are done. Can't get much easier, can it? Alright, so to store my cocoa mixes, I use half-gallon mason jars, and I just put the canning funnel on the top, and I will start putting the cocoa mix into the jar. Voila, dairy-free hot cocoa mix. That was easy, and it's gonna taste so good. Let's make a cup. Alright, so use dairy-free milk of your choice. I have a standard size coffee mug here. I believe this is 12 ounces. So just fill it up with your milk, and then I will be heating this in the microwave until it's hot. So I usually heat it about 2 to 2.5 minutes for our microwave. Then we'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of the cocoa mix. You can always adjust this to your taste and your preference. This cocoa mix is quite chocolatey. So to our hot milk, we're going to be adding the cocoa mix. We're going to stir it up well until it's blended. Look at that rich color. This is so good. You could add marshmallows if you like, or a peppermint stick. Yummy! That is so tasty. So that's how you make easy dairy-free cocoa mix. Not bad, huh? Let's move on and make a regular batch. So we're going to make some regular hot cocoa mix. We're going to need a lot of the same ingredients with a few additions. Unsweetened cocoa powder, salt, granulated sugar. This is cane sugar again. We're going to use powdered milk and a 10-ounce bag of dark chocolate chips. You could use any kind of chocolate chip, whether that's milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or even white chocolate. I'm going to be using a food processor today to blend all this together. Just your standard food processor. We're going to be adding sugar, 2 cups of cane sugar, next we will be adding 2 cups of powdered milk. This is whole powdered milk. You could use any powdered milk of your choice. The whole milk does give it a much richer flavor though. Now we will add the 10-ounce package of dark chocolate chips. Like I said, you could use milk chocolate or even white chocolate, whatever you prefer. But this gives it quite a nice depth of taste and added flavor to your hot chocolate. We're going to blend up those chips before we add the rest of the ingredients. The chocolate chips are all blended up now, so we will add the rest of our ingredients. Add a pinch of salt and 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa. And now we'll blend the rest of this together. And there, we're all done. Now we have our regular hot cocoa mix. Let's put it into a jar. Right, so we have the dairy-free hot cocoa mix on the left here, and the regular hot cocoa mix on the right. So that's how you make 2 different kinds of hot cocoa mix in a very easy way. Very simple and actually pretty fast. Don't need to buy it from the store anymore. And you know what's in it. Alright, so to our mug we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the hot cocoa mix, the regular. You can add hot water, hot coffee for a mocha, or you can add hot milk for an extra creamy cup of cocoa. Stir that together. You could also add marshmallows if you like, or a peppermint stick. So there you have it, 2 different versions of easy homemade hot cocoa mixes that you can make and not have to purchase the little packets from the grocery store. You know what's in it. It has good, wholesome ingredients in it, and it's going to taste so good on a cold winter day or any kind of cool day. You can adjust the amount of cocoa mix for each to your liking. Thanks for watching how I make 2 different kinds of homemade hot cocoa mix here at our house. Now go make yourself some and enjoy a good hot cup of cocoa. We'll catch you later. May God bless you. Take care.